Let me show you how to make this cute shelf in less than 15 minutes using the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro. This pocket hole jig is incredibly easy to use and so versatile. I love that you can adjust this super quickly for whatever project you're working on. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, so just grab your building materials and get to work. For this project, I'm attaching a 1x4 to a 1x5 using the pocket holes to create the cute little shelf. I'm finishing it off by adding these cute little pegs to make this a super versatile hanging station for our guest bedroom. This project was truly as easy as drilled, drive, and done with the Kreg's Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro. Go get yours today and let me know in the comments what you think of this shelf.